Hey. What's up, y'all? It's me, Aubrey. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my space. I should be welcoming myself back because I've been on a little YouTube hiatus. In today's video, we are prepping for my 31st birthday. Woo, woo, woo. So if y'all see a lot of like stuff in the back, it's because I just been ordering stuff, trying it on. But this is going to be my maintenance vlog, and I'm actually on the way to get my hair done. I actually haven't really celebrated my birthday in a while. And Taurus is ruled by Venus. Venus energy is beauty, luxury, all the things that are like, you know, loving and kind and good. Hey, she Millie Rock on any block. What's up, y'all? Happy Thursday. It is currently 8:20 in the morning, and it is T-minus 2 days until my 31st birthday. And I said that this was going to be a maintenance video, and we got all the maintenance planned today. But before we do, I do want to show y'all my hair. I told y'all I was getting it done yesterday, and it came out super cute. It's giving like all the birthday vibes. It's giving over the top. It's giving main character energy, you know? So this is the look, and I'm actually about to get ready to go get the rental car so that I can run all these errands that I need to run. So let's go. I got a little Camry. I wanted like a little Challenger, a little Charger, something nice, but nah, it's okay. You know, I'm just using this car to run errands for real, for real. The time is currently 10:21. My nail appointment is at 11:30, so I'm just about to grab some tea from one of my favorite tea shops, and then we're gonna head there.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
The place that I went to is called Sadamo, and I actually used to live in this area, and I would come to this tea shop all the time and do work. And the owner was a older Ethiopian guy, and I was just sitting, chop it up with him in his space, and it was just always good energy, good vibes. But he unfortunately passed away. But I still try to come to the shop whenever I can to get my favorite little chai tea. I will say though, the quality did go down a tad bit, but you know, that's just the name of the game. So I have so many different nail inspo saved, but I'm not really sure if I want to go with long nails or short nails, because I do work, and typing on the computer with them long ass nails is difficult. So we gonna see what old girl talking about when I get there.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and I will watch it, how you did that? You get some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two to make big pillows in the
What's up, y'all? So the time is currently 7:30, and I'm actually very tired. So shout out to all the batch, because y'all really be on one. Like hair, nails, makeup, lashes, all in one day, all in one weekend, every 2 weeks. But anyways, my nails are perfect. I went to this girl in Maryland, and she did a great job, and shout out to her, because it's really not a lot of standalone nail techs that I've been able to find to like really get you in. But she did her thing. She was nice, professional, great conversation, so I would highly recommend her. The only thing about it is I scheduled my nail appointment and my wax kind of too close together, so I missed my wax appointment. But anyways, I am about to go see my homegirl who is going to do my lashes. I only got my lashes done one time before, and it was a while ago. But yeah, about to go check in with her, and I will see y'all when I get there.
It's kind of dark though.
Okay.
So this is gonna be where your legs go, so that you're comfortable. And so you can either use one or two, but I think two.
I haven't used it though.
Oh, that is comfy.
That's good. Do you want to see how it feels with this?
What's up, y'all? Happy Friday. My birthday plans start today. It's currently 3 p.m. and I got my lashes done last night. Do y'all see? I actually have to wax my face. That's what I'm about to do now. And I was just sitting there because my dinner is at 6, but I'll probably try to get there at like 5:45. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna start getting ready at 4. I was like, actually, let me just start getting ready now.
Yes, a threat. All this ice on my potato, nigga. Roll me over. Good, I should be.
I thought that was a word. It's day 2. It's my fucking birthday.